Hi, my name is Jay Sean Pearson, and today I'm going to teach you how to fakie backside big spin. The first step and the first trick you need to learn how to do to performing a fakie backside big spin, you need to learn how to fakie backside pop Chevy. So this is what they look like. So now that you got the fakie backside pop Chevy down, the next step and the next trick you need to learn how to do to performing a fakie backside big spin, you need to learn how to backside half cab. So this is what they look like. So now that you got the backside half cab in there, the next step and the next trick you need to learn how to do to performing a fakie backside big spin, you need to learn how to fakie 3 shove it. So this is what that look like. So now that you got the fakie 3 shove it in there, the next step and the next move you gotta actually make to actually landing this trick, you gotta put all those tricks together. So this is what that look like. So now that I showed you the fakie backside big spin, foot positions for this trick is really simple. You want to place your foot, your kicking foot, like an ollie setup, but you want to kind of have it angled like this, the way I placed it. You want to place your kicking foot like this on the board, facing kind of angled a little bit, like I got it. If you do that, it'll help you turn the board real smoothly while you scooping the board going fakie. And you want to have your popping foot set up kind of like an ollie as well. So the way you set up like an ollie, that's the way you need to put your popping foot on the tail. So I set up kind of like this. So if you set up like that, like I showed you, it'll cause you to perform the fakie backside big spin the right way. So that's how you fakie backside big spin. And also another secret to this trick, if you throw your shoulders like that, going fakie, it'll allow the board to do that same motion as your shoulders is doing that motion. So if you turn your shoulders like that, it will make the board do that same motion as your shoulders is doing that motion. So if you apply that tip to this trick, you will perform this trick the right way. And another secret to this trick, the only tricks you really got to pay attention to actually performing this trick is a backside half cab and a backside pop Chevy. So if you pay attention to those 2 tricks that I showed you earlier in this video, you will perform this trick the right way and you won't have no issues trying it. So if this video has helped you on some tips that you need, don't forget to share it with someone else that might need this tip on trying a fakie backside big spin. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you won't miss out on videos like this every week. Catch you in the next video.